Now we are going to put all these drawing lines and making dots to use by drawing some boxes in 3D. Draw 2 dots about 5 inches horizontally across from each other. Use the ghosting technique to connect the 2 dots with a line. Then, make a dot somewhere below the line. Connect one of the dots to this dot. Do the same for the other one using ghosting. Next, draw a vertical line upwards from the intersect point. Draw 2 more vertical lines anywhere along the diagonal lines. Draw a dot anywhere on the vertical line and connect this dot to the dots on the original horizontal line. Now connect the intersect point of the other 2 verticals with the dots on the horizon line. And there you have it. You have a box in 2-point perspective below the horizon line. Let's try that again. Draw the horizon line between 2 dots. Draw a diagonal line from one dot. Draw another one from the other side and add a vertical at the intersect point and on the diagonals. Make a dot on the first vertical and connect it to the horizon line dot. I'm going to highlight the box in blue, and as you can see, this box crosses the horizon line. Let's draw a box in 1-point perspective. Same story. Draw the horizon line, draw a dot or the vanishing point, then draw 2 diagonals down from the vanishing point. Then draw 2 lines parallel to the horizon line. And draw verticals up from the intersecting points. Draw a dot on the vertical, then connect it to the vanishing point. Continue until the box is finished. One last time we will draw a box in perspective. If you miss a line, don't draw over it like I did. All you are doing here is accentuating the error you made. Just leave it and move on.